We'd like to introduce to you the 2016 Portable Heat Injector System. We've made this unit lighter weight, and we've actually made it into modules so that they can actually be torn apart, carried anywhere that they need to be carried, reassembled, and a heat treatment performed in any application. Kevin is now tearing it apart. First of all, we are going to remove the air intake grate. With this air intake grate, there's a safety switch that he is now unplugging. That safety switch ensures that the grate is on before the operation will take place. That will ensure that all the pieces are actually put together before the system will actually operate. Next, Kevin is preparing to take off what we call the burner unit. The burner unit is the piece that actually contains the burner, the pressure switches, and it's basically the top part above the control panel. He has to take off and have access to the actual burner box. The electrical connections and the mechanical connections are being pulled to allow the burner box to be removed. The electrical connections, thermocouple connections, and the pressure switches are easily identified. There's also a flame rod sensor that it has to be disconnected. All of these are quick and easily disconnected and reassembled. Now the burner box is actually removed. With the burner box removed, now the sides can be removed. The sides have been made out of aluminum so that they're very easy to carry, and they are easy to handle. With the sides removed, now basically the base model, the base and the blower modules are still connected. It's easily easily moved in this manner, and so therefore if it's just a matter of short flights of stairs or something, you can easily, two people can easily move this up and down stairs. It's actually very well balanced. It can be picked up, moved from either side. So it's actually a maneuverable unit in and of itself. If the application requires further teardown, this can actually, the blower module can actually be removed from the base by removing some pull pins. Disconnecting the blower module from the base module. With these two disconnected, the blower module actually will come right out of the base module. There's electrical connections that allow the electrical connections are made in a quick disconnect on the inside of main blower unit, main base unit. In order to make this even easier to move around, the actual motor can be removed from the base module, from the blower module. To do this, you simply loosen a couple screws, unplug the motor, remove the belt, and the entire motor assembly is able to be removed. And now you simply have the base module, or the blower module, that can be moved around easily.